For this CYODA Mini, this is for Character Animator. Now, this is a program that is available in your Creative Cloud. So, or your yeah, when you come over here, you can look for Character Animator. If it's not installed, go ahead and install it, but it's right there. Then you can open this. What you're going to do with this is you're going to first kind of discover what's possible, similar to what we did in Dimension. This is the first time I'm using this particular application with a class. So what you'll do is you'll open up that program, and then what you'll do is you'll watch this first video and follow along with the tutorial. This will walk you through
Hey everyone, this is Dave from the Adobe Character Animator team.
the basics of how to take an existing puppet and have it connect up with your camera, and it will actually sync. And so it'll calibrate when you move your eyes, the eyes will move. When you move your body, the body will move, and so on. So with this particular tutorial, you're going to choose one of the puppets. You're going to build out a couple pieces with this. You're going to apply some behaviors, and then you'll do some recording, some editing, and then you're going to export it. When you export this, you're going to give me that link or the video. Again, haven't tested this out, so be curious to see what's working and about how long it takes. This one says 47 minutes. I kind of allocated thinking maybe that's 2 days worth of work, but we'll see how it goes. After you've done that, what you're going to do is create your own character. Now, I've got templates that are here that you can download and use, and then I've got videos here from the same people that are set up on
Hey,
how
this is Dave from
to create using Photoshop or how to create using Illustrator. What I want you to do is once you've built your character, I want you to just place it in a quick little scene with a background and like maybe 30 seconds or so of your character moving around, talking, whatever you can do with this. And you're going to turn in those two pieces. Now, I have a link. I'm not sure why the photos are not showing up here, but I have a link here with other. This is where I got this first tutorial from Adobe. And then there's other pieces like triggers, setting up live streams, body tracking, a whole bunch of other stuff that you may be able to explore. I also have here a quick video on how to add
backgrounds and
backgrounds
cameras. Give your animations.
so that you can drop in photos or other pieces with your character. So that's a possibility. If you want to borrow a camera because you want to put it, somewhere outside here in class, you can do that. Here's a link to 30 example characters or 30 different examples of what you could do with this program. So there's explainer videos, campaign, there's a whole bunch of stuff. You can check these out just to get some inspiration. And then there's a link here to a whole bunch of free puppets that you can download, and you can kind of deconstruct them and see how they were built and what kind of adjustments and things you could potentially make in building your own character. If it feels like it's going to take too long to build your own custom one, we could start with one of these and then make heavy modifications. There's also some mouth templates and other blank templates. This is where I got the blank template for you to use. There is also a large variety of different pre-made puppets in here already. What you may want to do when you get started with this, before you jump straight into the tutorial, is maybe start with just this first one. Inside of the application, this will actually walk you through and show you a preview of the types of things you can do in a somewhat interactive, kind of fun way. So this is something you can do as well. And that is what we're looking at with the character animator. And if it's something that we end up determining that you want to do this for a second week, you can just kind of figure out what do you want to pitch to me that you're going to do, and you can continue to work and build something even more substantial. Or you can jump right back into choosing one of the other minis that you didn't do during the first week.